This is the Klein Tools Slim Rechargeable Work Light. Here's the model number 56079. Total of 500 lumens. And you can see here it goes 360 degrees, and the bottom goes 270 degrees. And we have 3 settings. So 500 lumens at 6 hours, 250 lumens at 8 hours, 100 lumens at 10 hours. And it's got a Type-C charger. It's magnetic, the back of it. You can drop it 2 meters without hurting it. IP54 rating. And it is made in Taiwan. A slim design, easy fit into pockets, tight spaces, 360 degrees light rotation, and 270 degrees kickstand rotation. So we're going to take a look at this today. It's got the carabiner that, built-in carabiner, easy to hang over half-inch conduit here. So we're going to take a look at this today, see how well it is. When I first saw it, I thought it'd be a lot slimmer than this, to tell you the truth. Kind of disappointed. And I didn't get it off Amazon. I had to go through a local company in Toronto, Atlas. That's where I got it. So it's not available on Amazon as we speak here. Let's take it out of its box here, see if we can get it out. Here's the charger. Let me get it out here. That's in there good. One button on top powers everything on. Powers it off. Here's a magnet in the back. I think this is just... Here's your cable, small cable, charging cable. Type-C to USB. Here's the instructions. It's going to be very basic instructions. So we'll check it out. See what this new design's all about. Let's take some measurements. We're talking about an inch thick, and the basic thing is just about 5 inches, 5 1/4, and I would say not quite 2.5, a couple 16ths from 2.5. If you extend the whole thing out, it's about 10 1/4. Cable is a Type-C to USB, and it's about a little over 1 foot long. Plug it in there. Charge it up. Starting to flash, starting to charge up. Klein Tools Slim Rechargeable Work Light. It has 10 of these LED emitters. The base goes 270. The actual flashlight goes 360. Has the charge port on the side, Type-C to Type USB, light indicator. One thing I like about it, the magnet on both sides, so you can use the magnet on both sides. Has a carabiner, like a 1/2 inch. Has the rubber feet here, so it's not going to move on you. So one button operation, so you press and hold the button. So you have 500 lumens, 250, and 100. So hold button for a few seconds. Now your light comes on. Let's turn the light off here. So that's your 500. And not sure that's 250. Well, that's your 500, 250, and 100. There you go. it'll remember the last time this is 500. So if you wait a few seconds, it'll remember on 500 lumens. So shut it off and go back on. There it goes back to 500 lumens. Has the indicating light. Turn the light back on. Shut it off. It's fairly bright here. So it's fairly thin. You put it in your pocket. You can carry like this, like a flashlight. Let's compare it to the Milwaukee. Milwaukee is only 8 LED emitters, but the Milwaukee goes right around. So this goes right around. That's so 360. The carabiner is a lot more versatile. Plays a lot more places here. This has the rubber feet on the bottom here. It has 2-button operation and same Type-C charger here at the side here. A little different Type-C charger. The magnet's only on one side. See, the magnet's only on one side here, not on the other side. So some difference between the two. Take a little more look at this one here. What other features it has. We got a power outage today from 8:30 till 10:30. Planned maintenance for power company, and we're going to take a look at this panel here using this the new Klein work light. So there's a magnet on both sides, so you can use both sides of this. I'm going to say on top of the. So there it is on. Now I'm going to turn it on. Get to hold it on. That goes in full power. Shut the regular light off. And you can see all kinds of light here. That's the 500 lumens. Now let's put it over the carabiner. I'm going to put it over here. Turn the light on. See if we can see what we're doing. Magnet off. Carabiner go over these light wires. See them here. Okay, shut the light off. There you go. And I won't go over top of this. It's too thick. This is the big heavy duty wire going for the electric wood furnace. Also, you can take the carabiner off, and there's the little hook. See the little hook on the top here? So you can hook that over a nail like this here. Shut the main light off. Flashlight off. There you go. Lots of features of this thing, the magnetic carabiner, and right on the hook here. It's about 10 o'clock at night, so let's use our light here. Use a carabiner to hook it on the latch. We have it set for 500 lumens, and you can see it. You can see the whole engine here. Nice bright light. And then unhook it and just use it handheld. Take a look at what you want to do. Very unique light. Lots of features to this light. Let's use our light to find our air compressors, the Hawk air compressor. Got a low tire here. So we're gonna use this magnetic attachment here on the side of the car. Works well here. And we got low air pressure down to I think 18 pounds here. It's a nice bright light. So what happens if we turn it off and we drop it on the ground? You can see that we can find it, see the glow from the actual light, so we can find it in the dark here. Very unique. The Klein Tools Slim Rechargeable Work Light. Very unique work light here. Lots of uses of it, and I would recommend it. But I would still prefer my Milwaukee work light. So please share my video and ring that bell to be notified the next time I upload a video. And please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. It helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you on the next video.